Hello everyone, it's Dmitry here from Hodges, and what an amazing opportunity we have here. So this brand new town residence offers you 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, huge living area with a well thought out floor plan, high quality finish throughout the whole house. So guys, this is your chance to secure your slice of paradise here at 6A Gilmour Road, Bentleigh. So this property has been built by one of the most reliable and trusted builders in Melbourne, Butler Building Group. So guys, I'm very excited. Let me show you around.